welcome to my channel and look who's here. I mean, you can already see her in the thumbnail as well. But I'm finally here with Mridul. After I think years and years of mystery box request, we are doing the mystery box challenge. मैंने already अपने सारे gifts open कर लिए and dude, it was literally the best day ever because who does not like to open presents? Anyway, in this video, she's going to open all the stuff that I got for her. I'm so nervous.
Don't be.
I am nervous.
Don't be.
So yeah, I hope it goes well. Don't forget to check out the video that we did on Mridul's channel.
Yes.
Uska link hoga, and don't forget to check out her Instagram. She posts really cute stuff. And okay, you know what? Let's start with this only.
Okay. Then you'll know.
हाँ, ये मेरे को ये लग रहा है क्या टूट गया.
So basically, कुछ तो आवाज आ रही है gift में से, and Anindita is not sure why it's coming. So we'll find out.
Oh, okay, I remember now. I remember.
There's accessories. Yeah.
We both will see. मैं scissors रखने चाहिए थे ना.
इसमें तो मजा है. फाड़ने में चीजों का. How cute! It's matching my outfit also today. My God, it's so soft and it's so nice. I don't have anything in this color.
Really?
Yeah, I don't.
Thank God.
Because I love bags. And I don't have anything in this. It's so nice and it's so like perfect for the winters.
Exactly.
The texture, love it.
And it's a very you type of a bag.
Yes, thank you.
Open this.
Okay.
मैं ना Amazon से कुछ नहीं खरीदना चाहती थी because I was like इसके पास सब कुछ होगा.
Okay. Do you want me to open or wait?
Yeah, no.
I think it's like ceramic something. Like plates, bowls, something like that.
Oh, bro, lagi?
No, it was the impact that made me. Okay, back to the video.
Yes.
Ashtray?
No.
So this is one part and then this is another part. Okay. Wait, is this I think either it's a diffuser या फिर it's वो wax डाल के you melt it.
It can be like this, but it's basically a 2-people fondue maker.
How cute! That is so unique.
Yeah, so
wow.
ऐसे tea light करके वो करते हैं ना, and it's just like for date nights या फिर ऐसी अगर मतलब तो अकेले भी इसमें कर सकती है. I just thought that this is such a nice concept.
Yeah, it is. I agree. Wow, you can do chocolate fondue.
You can do
cheese.
anything. Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. Very unique. I've never seen this.
Thank you.
मजा आता है ना ये करने में. I love these videos. Bath bombs, natural and handmade, make skin refreshed and soft and smooth. Bath bombs अंदर सही में. Wow. Too bad that I don't have a bathtub.
I know, but I was just like जब तू vacation
Travel करूँगी, बराबर है बात
उसको लेके जाना याद से. मैंने अपने लिए भी खरीदा ये.
Lovely. I love it.
I don't know if you have used this.
Okay.
Because ये you'll see.
I have it.
Yeah, you have it. तब मुझे लग ही रहा था ये जब मैंने जब लिया था तब नहीं था तेरे पास.
अच्छा मैंने एक्चुअली सो बेसिकली मेरा एक स्टोरी है ये पीस के साथ. ओके आई फिल्म्ड अ वीडियो विद दिस 6 times. No exaggeration, 6 times.
Okay.
So कभी the lighting is off, कभी the background is off, कभी I don't like the curls that have come out, and the video has never gone up.
अच्छा तूने
डाला ही नहीं, मेरे पास अभी पड़ा ही है.
इसलिए मैंने तेरा चेक किया था. Maybe she's not used it, तो मैंने इसको डाल दिया कि चलो कभी अगर करने का मन करे.
So the thing with this is, just in case anyone wants to know, it's बंद होते हैं कर्ल्स, नो डाउट. लाइक इफ यू यूज प्रोडक्ट इन योर हेयर सीरप अच्छे से तो होगा, बट इट्स वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल टू स्लीप विद. ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल. यू सपोज टू पुट दिस एट नाइट एंड देन इन द मॉर्निंग कर्ल्स होंगे. Anindita like feeling everything. क्या do next?
ये.
Okay. Cute. क्या ये कुछ तो cute सी accessory type लग रहा है मुझे. Very off, very wrong.
No.
Close. Yes. Cute. I love it. I actually don't have any silver hoops.
Really?
Yeah, which is perfect because I wear gold. Only gold. So I'm glad to have this because कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि certain outfits के साथ you need silver. आज जैसे exactly.
पता है मैं बोलने वाली थी कि दे दूँ क्या?
नहीं, it's okay. Very cute. And I love H&M jewelry.
Yeah.
Because it's tarnish free. खराब नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता. ये it's very random.
Okay.
And अच्छा चल तू
socks.
Yes.
Cute. Very nice colors. There's a lavender, black
and white
भी है?
lavender stripes.
Ah, correct. Very nice.
She also gave me socks, spoiler, and I also gave her socks. So when I opened yours, I was like, oh my god, I also gave her socks only. वो boots होते हैं ना, आजकल ये बहुत ट्रेंड में है. So boots के ऊपर थोड़ा सा ऐसे बैंड जो दिखता है.
Correct.
So मैंने उसके हिसाब से दिया अगर
Very
तू
nice.
ऐसे स्टाइल करना चाहे.
Done. I will try to do it. Something like that. The thing is actually that I don't wear socks.
Oh, okay.
But I do wear socks at night.
Oh, either way.
So yeah, काम आएगा.
Okay, so this is a very मतलब पर्सनल टाइप का गिफ्ट है ये. तू जब खोलेगी उसके बाद I'll explain.
Ooh, did you get this from Goa?
Yeah.
How nice.
So this is 100% real.
Oh, how nice.
I hope it gives you good vibes and
So
positive.
nice. That is so cute.
Yeah.
Like you can just keep it also somewhere.
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe every day I could like keep my
Yeah.
like रात को bedside के
Right.
बाजू में earrings or whatever. And it's so beautiful. Thank you. I love it.
Welcome. Thank
I love it. Already my number one.
हाँ ये खोल दे. हाँ.
Okay.
Hey, this is random.
Oh, lovely. Much needed. We were just talking about this. So this is moringa hibiscus tea,
Yeah.
green tea
Yeah.
type situation.
So
tea.
हाँ tea. It is
Okay.
tea. It's not green tea, but these taste so nice.
Really?
These taste amazing. Like मुझे personally बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है.
We'll have अभी वीडियो के बाद.
बहुत ही अच्छा ना, थोड़ा इसका एक स्लाइट टैंगी, but it tastes so nice. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Nice. I love tea, which is great. And anyway, ये weather के लिए तो tea is so perfect.
ये बहुत ये भी रैंडम, मतलब ऐसे मैंने लिया है ये. ऐसा पेंसिल बॉक्स जैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है. Oh my god. Okay, finally.
Wow. So
Yeah.
this is cutlery that you can take on the go.
Go and
How nice.
reuse it.
Very nice.
And
I love.
especially planes के लिए ये बहुत काम आता है.
You can like put it in your purse. I love this. I
Yeah.
genuinely love this because मुझे ऐसे वैसे भी कुछ
हाँ.
चाहिए था because I hate using the plastic.
Plastic,
Because you
yeah.
throw it या फिर wooden also. It's just so wasteful, you know.
It is.
एक बार खा के फेंक दिया type scene. So this is going to be really helpful.
And I like the color.
Color, yeah, it's so pretty and beige. Love it. Thank you so much.
Okay, second last gift. Sad feel हो रहा है, मुझे ही sad feel हो रहा है. I wish मैं और लेके आती.
No, we've stuck to the budget.
हाँ, we have. Honestly, given it's the two of us, we have done very good.
Yeah. What's this? I've heard this brand's name. सुना लग रहा है क्या ये? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How did you get this in this budget?
I got it especially sale time पे.
Oh.
So I got it like 40-50% off में.
Wow.
It smells really nice. गिर क्या?
Oopsies, थोड़ा सा. Very different.
It's woodsy. इसमें थोड़ा सा floral भी है.
Yeah, with wood.
Although it says jasmine, but jasmine इतना
नहीं आ
strong
रहा.
नहीं है. That's
With
why I
the
like it.
packaging. So cute. And this is lotion.
Yeah, this is lotion. So it's like a bath set.
Yeah. Love it. Anyway, we love stuff like this, so makes sense. Thank you.
I thought it's a different brand.
Yeah. I've never tried this brand. I've seen it a lot.
Yeah.
But it's like a luxury kind of brand, na? नहीं?
ये Bath
काफी
and Body
fancy
Works
लग
से-
रहा है.
हाँ, fancy है and good stuff, but Bath and Body Works से भी cheap है.
Okay.
हाँ.
But
So-
ठीक है, महंगा ही है मतलब comparatively तो.
हाँ, मतलब I feel this is like the most priciest thing out
Correct.
of all of that.
Correct.
But I really, when I saw this only ना, I was like कि इसका packaging and all you will like.
Yeah. I love it. Thank you. मुझे लग रहा है कि ये perfume है इसमें. Am I right? No? Let's see. मुझे भी I have a good feeling about it. I don't know why. The way you're smiling, the way your eyes are sparkling. Is it crystals? Are they crystals? Sounds like it. So pretty. We have a rose quartz,
Yeah.
amethyst.
And this is also rose,
Rose
quartz.
quartz.
So I collect crystals
Yeah.
and all of that.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So ये मैंने खरीदा था तेरे लिए जब तब करना था ना मिस्ट्री बॉक्स, तो तभी मैंने ये अपना वो मार्केट नहीं है, सी से क्या मार्केट है,
Colaba Causeway.
कोलाबा, तो वहाँ पे एक मेरी बहुत स्पेशल क्रिस्टल शॉप है, तो वहाँ से मैंने ये खरीदा था.
Okay.
मैंने ये खरीदा है गोवा से.
Okay.
एंड ये मैंने मंगवाया है कहीं से.
Okay.
सो ये तीनों लाइक यू कैन कीप एक साथ.
Okay.
क्योंकि इनकी एनर्जीज काफी एक साथ जाती है. कीप इट अराउंड योर ऑरा.
Okay.
एंड Yeah, it's like good vibes.
Wow, how nice. I love crystals. I have been collecting crystals a little bit,
Yeah.
but मुझे honestly time नहीं मिल रहा है to like learn about them. Like how she just said that you should keep it around your aura.
Yeah.
I want to learn all of that. We'll talk about it
We will talk
after this video. I love it. Thank you. What a great way to end the video.
Yeah.
Do you want a top 3?
Yes.
My number 1 was the shell.
Okay.
Because just the way
Yeah.
she explained it, you know,
Yeah.
it just felt really good and felt like meant a lot. Then I feel like number 2 will be crystals, of course. Again, so like thoughtful, and I feel like crystals are such a good gift because again,
Yeah.
you put good intentions into it, hoping that it'll do something for the person, right?
Yes.
So I love this. And then number 3, kahan gaya? The fondue. Fondue maker, mini fondue maker thing. Very cute, very unique. But in general, I feel like this mystery box was amazing. It was so good vibes. I feel like that's the word.
Same. मुझे भी whatever you gave me when I opened it, it was just like comforting
Yeah.
and good vibes. I'm glad you liked it. मेरे को बहुत stress था कि पता नहीं उसको कैसा लगेगा. I'm so glad you liked it.
I did. I had such a good time.
This is it for the video. I'm so happy इसके reactions देख के, and it was just really a special video. And finally जब ये video हो गया ना, I feel at peace.
Yeah,
I
me too,
hope
me too.
you guys also enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to check out the video on her channel. Subscribe to Mridul. Follow Mridul everywhere. Follow me. Subscribe to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in our next one.
Next one.
Bye bye.
Cute.